Welcome to Date with Danu, right here on High TV, your luxury channel. Today on the show, I have two who have lived most of their life on stage, and at the same time, they are the ones who made me understand the value of performing on stage. And they've known me for over 21 years, I think. That doesn't show my age, it kind of shows theirs. All right, today on the show, I'm happy to have Jehan Bastians and Neeta Williams.
Hi, I'm Jehan Bastians. I'm a technology marketer, a theatre practitioner, a dad, an amateur cyclist, and of course, a husband. And I'm here on a date with Danu. A date with Danu, intriguing prospect. I've seen very many people who've been on a date with Danu. They seem to have a lot of fun. So I'm hoping that Neeta and I will have a lot of fun with being on a date with Danu. So, like Neeta said, our association with Danu goes back way, way, way back, many centuries ago when he was a wee lad. And I've dealt with him mainly as a director when he was in school and doing theatre there, and I've seen him grow and take to the stage, take to TV, movies and the camera and make it his own. Very proud of what he's achieved and what he's done with his career to date. So here's hoping for much more from you, Danu.
Hi, I'm Neeta Williams. I'm a wife and a mother, mainly. I also dabble in a little bit of theatre and whatever else comes my way. Oh, and I'm here on a date with Danu. It's a very interesting show and certainly very entertaining. We've met a lot of personalities on this show. Some people I haven't known, I've got to know a little bit more by watching. So yeah, it's a lovely program to just relax and watch with maybe a cup of coffee or a glass of wine. Something about Danu, oh my goodness. Well, I've known him for what I feel like most of his life. Known him first as a student and now as a friend and a colleague when it comes to acting. He's been in our productions and we've met each other along the way. We've seen each other's families and it's been a lovely journey.
Didn't want to break the two, so I brought them together on the show. It's easier that way, no? Thanks for being here.
You're very welcome.
And it has been, I've known you all for 21 years now.
Right, we've been counting the years.
I just counted it just so that, you know, and at that time you all were adults.
Only 21?
Yes.
No, it sounded quite long.
And you all were adults at that time?
But barely. Can I just say barely, yeah. Barely adults at that time.
We were barely adults there,
Yeah.
that's right. I just realized what she was doing. Barely, very barely, yes.
Yeah. Jehan didn't have much hair even then. Nothing much has lost from that day.
I had hair. More hair than this.
Yeah.
No, I had a full head of hair even then.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can't remember.
It was more cut short, I think.
Yeah, 21 years ago.
Yes. That was the trend, I think.
Actually, it was, if you knew us 2 years before we got married, then I had a lot of hair.
It was, I knew you all from the time you all get married. 2000 and
we got married in 2000.
Yeah.
Till 2021.
Yes.
How many years is that?
That would be
21 years.
21.
Correct, no?
Yeah,
You
but
all
I had
got-
hair. I had hair.
Yeah,
Yes.
but a very
And
small
I'm glad
amount.
to say
so-
that we've all passed
Right,
mathematics
correct.
now. Yes.
Fabulous, okay.
Yes.
So let's go to 2000. So year 2000, I am very good with dates and memories and where we saw and what we was doing and all of those stuff. We met on Jehan's birthday for our first rehearsal.
Did we?
Yes, at the St. Peter's College Hall. It was
Wow.
in April.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
I really don't remember this at all.
On the 26th.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
My
Okay.
heavens.
So that was the first day you had all of us come, like the ones who were auditioning, and I think I was the only one from Tamil medium, and I had my friend Michael who was there. We auditioned, and after 1 week you told us to come up with characters that you feel like a background to them, and we met on the 1st of May, which was a May Day situation. I was in a bit of a sharp green crocodile t-shirt. And it was at the Peters grounds. We did the second auditions because this hall was not available that day. And I got the part. So that was the second day. That was the 1st of May.
How do you remember what
I
you were
really
wearing?
don't know, man. I just don't know. It's just annoying. My brain is. I still know my O-level admission number, but I failed my maths. I still remember the number 101683111. If I have to check my results, I can still check it.
Yeah, it might not be online.
The
but
results
yeah.
are archived
Yes,
now.
but I know that number still, which is quite strange.
Impressive, yeah.
And strange.
I don't know the detail that you. This is all a blur.
Yeah, but
I remember you, but little else.
But I remember, so that was my first time being a part of a stage play because they have judged me for an inter-school, inter-class, and that's
Inter-class. That's right.
Inter-class.
Yeah.
Inter-house or inter-class.
it
something
was
before
inter-house, and you all made me best actor. And after that is when you all asked me to audition for this. Now do you all remember how
that.
you
Well,
all
I remember
know me?
you, yes,
Ah,
of
Yes.
course.
Good.
How can you forget you?
Thank you. Thank you. I was acting in The Rehearsal. That was the play which I acted.
That's
which was
right. Okay. But your memory is
Very
astounding.
impressive.
Thank you,
Very.
thank you, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you. So yes, so that's where it all started. So from there to today, we have seen so many things change around us. Let's go back to the time in the year 2000s. I think you all have been fundamentally known for creating a culture within the Shakespeare drama competition. It has been, it's such a rewarding experience if you have been a part of it. For those who have suffered the COVID, I'm really sorry. And for those who don't understand what kind of passion and connection that you can create through it, I'm sorry again. But we were fortunate enough to understand that. Tell me how important it is for us to support theatre, music, creating that union between people at schools.
Oh, it's Needra, why don't you?
All
go?
right. So I think it's twofold. One is the people who are in it, like the students or the people who are taking part in the arts, and the other aspect is the people around who support. I think as a student or someone in any kind of educational environment, theatre gives a lot more than just getting on stage under some lights and performing. It gives you a lot of life skills from working with your team, always understanding that even if you are playing the main role, you are never the main person. You are one of a team. I think that's a main lesson that as a theatre practitioner you get to learn. No one is a diva, no one is above anyone else.
Except Danu.
Okay, occasionally. But also about making do with what you have. You don't always have the best costumes, the best backgrounds, the best place to perform with, and you learn that as a life skill. You don't always have all the money you want in life or
Budgets
the best
are never there,
partner or,
actually.
yeah, or the best working environment, but still you learn life skills about how to tackle and make do and be happy with
what you
you have got, and be creative about that, I think. So that's for the person who's taking part or the person who's in it.
Also,
And
Needra, I think people who are in it gain a lot of confidence. There is a building of natural confidence, an air of confidence about people who've done theatre, public speaking, you know, that whole gamut of even singing. To an extent, there is that air of confidence that they can go out there and do something. Sorry.
Correct. Just before we get into the break, I'll give you a small tip. If you have stopped your kids from enjoying theatre because education is important, true. But I will tell you one thing. I think one of the most annoying skill in a person is if they're doing, so they have studied really well because they didn't do theatre and they've got into a corporate job and they're doing a presentation. If they're going to be waving around like a coconut tree, it's the most annoying thing to see. You will never understand the presentation. You'll just be annoyed with the person who is just so we are here, what? So you learn that in theatre. That's the most basic I can tell you. You put your foot down and you stay in one place at a 45-degree turn, which makes you look good and at the same time show your expressions. This is a tip. We'll see you after the break. Do stick around. Welcome back to the show. There's a lot of Peterite things happening here. Needra, although she went to some other school, I don't know where, she has just become Peterite now. That's unfortunate.
Methodist College. I
Yeah,
went to
but
Methodist College.
we don't know. I don't think you would have ever spent time there.
Of course I have.
Really?
I went to school there.
Right,
I
but
did
later
things
on,
after
where have
school.
you spent most of your time?
Most at home.
Do you agree with that?
No.
Exactly.
She pushes the whole St. Peter's thing a lot more than I do.
Exactly.
Exactly.
So you're
I-
more Pete right.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
have doubts
She even
about.
gets Pete right humor. So.
Ah, there you go.
No.
True.
Yeah, well-
So now I have to ask, you're a bit of a cradle snatcher, no?
All right.
This thing.
Yeah.
No,
Or might have been a big baby in a cradle, but I'm just saying, younger, no?
Well, slightly. Very, very slightly. Yeah. You have, I have to say now how much also.
Like how much? Like 3?
Yes.
3?
Not
Two
even
and a half.
really, two and a half.
3.
But,
Let's
you
put
know,
it at 3, will
it
you?
depends
No, hold
on.
on, hold on. Ah, yeah. 2 and
Yeah,
3.
2.5, Jahan.
Can we
Yeah,
stop
Like,
at 3?
you know,
Yeah,
yeah,
2.5.
did
We'll
maths for
stop
the
at
A
3.
levels also.
So that means 3 years you have been seeing the world when he was still trying to figure out whether he's actually coming out. So that's how you
the
can
thing,
think of
seeing
it.
the world. Yes,
yeah,
yes,
when you were in
yes.
grade 9, this boy was just in grade 6, crawling his way out of primary.
Okay.
Yeah, just want to let, when you were done with your A
You're
levels, you were
just-
still trying to do
You're
all
just giving me the picture, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I've never looked at it that way, but,
But
I
now,
will
yeah,
now for
there
the
you
rest
go,
of my
that's-
life.
yeah, I was
Yeah.
still
Thank
doing my
you.
O levels and waving at girls in vans.
Yeah,
and-
can you see? And this one was
I would have
already
been
out.
out of school and he'll be still sweating
Yes,
over the O-level paper.
correct, exactly. There you go, so much. But is it better
What?
with a mature person?
Oh,
yes.
yes.
Is it better?
Much better.
Yes.
Was it easier for you to learn?
Ah, yes.
Ah,
Yes, very, very much. easier.
just wanted to know how it was. Just on the side note.
Right.
All right. Y'all met through theatre. Y'all met at Lionel Wint, no?
No, actually.
Well-
well, actually through choir.
Yeah, we've been singing in the
Initially.
same choir
Okay.
since about 1990,
So that's
91.
when we first knew each other.
Yeah, and well, she was always, you know,
I was
Hoity-toity
No,
and
I
like-
was
Yes,
always a
yes.
soprano and you were always a tenor.
no, I wasn't always a tenor. I was a soprano before I cracked my voice.
Yeah,
but
this is
anyway,
well before I knew
That
him,
time
though.
when he was cracking his voice, also you were
I was a soprano.
A
So at one point in life, we were both sopranos. Oh, okay.
for a longer time together.
Unfortunately, not in the same choir, but yeah.
Yeah.
oh dear. Yes. So, but we to come back to your question, we started going out when we were involved in a production by Jit Pires. It was
Yeah.
called Hell of a Christmas in Jamaica.
My God, hell of a ride it has been.
You can say that again.
That was,
Danu.
yes.
Okay, but when y'all were singing in the choir, were y'all, I don't know how y'all could have given like some suggestive moves like,
No, no,
We
we weren't.
never did that.
no,
What
because in
is
choir
that?
you have to pronounce it.
No.
"Lord." You know, like if you all have been
Certainly
connecting
not.
with your eyes and your
Oh,
mouth
dear.
open.
No, actually, I can't see. No, I'm at the back. She's in front, so we can't
Yes,
see each other. Yeah.
exactly.
She might have seen.
Can't do that, no? Yeah, bit difficult. Yeah. And yeah.
Only you would ask something like that.
Yeah, when we are at all standing next to each other like this and singing, it's like a
In church, Danu, you
Yeah,
don't do those
maybe.
things in church.
I didn't know what choir y'all were.
Yes. That's
In church.
Let's get into a favorite segment of mine where we put people in awkward situations, and it's called Hot Seat. So welcome back. It's time to play Hot Seat, and we're going to be giving a fancy gift, which is quite a... Jehan, you can actually see a transformation.
Okay, I'm going to
Hair
try
loss
to.
or anything that's losing. Crystal can
Nothing
fill
else
all
is
the...
lost.
And yeah, they can also give you a youthful vibe.
Wow.
Yeah, they have it all under one roof, so I'm going to give that to you.
All
no,
right.
not to you, one of you.
Oh.
Ready?
Right,
Okay.
but we're very competitive, right?
Yeah.
You know that.
Nidra, I know.
Dreadful at this kind of thing.
Nidra, the questions are for you, starting at first question. Tracy Holsinger, Michelle Herft, Shaniquidi Alvis. Rank these ladies according to their acting skills, in your opinion.
I know.
How long do I get? Like a tick,
Now,
tick, 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 tick,
there's no tick-tick. Quickly.
Shanuki, Michelle, Tracy.
If you could change one thing about Jehan, what would you change
Oh,
and why?
God. You won't be able to finish in
I
this
won't
segment.
be able to, yeah, very true. I won't be able to say it in the times frame. Okay, one thing.
Oh dear.
Impatience with others.
Right.
Am I supposed to give like
A detailed list
serious
about it, yeah.
answer? Oh,
No, you can detail it out a
like,
little
you
bit.
know, changes like, you know, hairstyle or something like that, but you know.
No,
he
those
can't.
are just boring.
Yeah,
You know,
but
he
I
doesn't
think
have hair, no,
impatience
to
with
change it.
others.
Huh?
Impatience with others.
Okay.
I've told him over and over again to stand in front of a mirror every morning and say, not everyone is Jehan Bastians.
Right.
But he doesn't do that.
Does he have a full-size mirror?
Yeah, 3/4.
Ah,
I mean,
then
he can use
that's
my
it.
mirror. No?
Ah, yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
that's the thing, but he doesn't. So the thing is, he thinks that everybody else's brain works like his brain.
yeah.
And he doesn't. And I try to explain this. But you know, when you come to my age,
You just give
in
up.
life,
I will not
you
know it's far
realize
away from my age.
that you have to choose your battles. What?
You walked into that one.
I can't relate to that. If you got a chance to direct a play, who would you pick from the following and who you would not pick and why? And now don't ask me what category is this play here. Is it comedy,
Any
horror?
play.
It could be anything. Just
Any play that I want.
Yeah.
Oh,
That
you're
is up-
telling me the
I'm
play.
telling you the names.
Ah, you're telling me.
Jehan Aloysius, Anuruddha Fernando, Adam Ali.
I will pick all three of them depending on the play.
See, I told you that, no. Who would you pick out of this to play a lead role? Blind. You don't know what the play is, you're
Good
not got the
Lord.
script, but you have to cast someone immediately.
I don't know what the play is.
No, you don't.
I know nothing about the
Nothing.
play. I would never take on a job like that.
Just tell me, man, this is why I don't told you. You have totally lost this bag. Now continue, answer now.
Well, the thing is,
No, don't
they
give
are-
me. Right. Who is your favorite out of the following? Jehan, Anuruddha.
They are all nice in different things. Now, if it was something a little more serious, I would have said definitely Aloysius. If and sort of more, you know, diva-ish. If it was going to be something comedy, for sure, Adam. And
Not Anuruddha?
Anuruddha, I would say for a more like a Singlish kind of like a Sri Lankan based kind of a thing. So you have to tell me something about the play.
If you can't attend an event that you have already been signed up for and you had to pick a replacement who has to compare this event, and who would you pick out of the following who will do an equal or a better job of it? Your options: Savitri Rodrigo, Sharon
Mascarenas.
Faisal Bonzo, Arun Dias.
Savitri.
All right, your final question. Which Jehan has kissed you better? Side story. Jehan Aloysius also gave her a long, juicy kiss. And Jehan Bastians has been kissing her for a long time. I don't know.
I hope so.
We said it together. So, I want to know who kissed you better. No, you don't need to be biased or anything. You can just tell me.
Well, the thing is, it's a bit unfair because Aloysius, as I call Jehan Aloysius got only one chance. I mean, you know, we had to practice, obviously, he got a few chances, but that was it.
And
Compared
how
to
was
this
it?
one, I mean, it was very nice. It was very nice, but it was a stage kiss.
But do you remember it still?
I remember the play.
Do you
What
remember
was
the
the play?
kiss?
This was Death Trap.
Ah, yes.
Do you
He and I
remember-
were husband and wife.
Do you remember the kiss?
Yes, it was sort of a very, it was passionate, but it was meant to be passionate, but not really, because that's a relationship we had. We were a very dysfunctional couple in that. I mean, he ends up, no, I better not. Just in case someone in the, you know, your
Hasn't watched
large
Death Trap?
audience out there have not
watched it.
seen this
Oh,
play.
gosh.
I don't want to spoil it, but yes, I
But-
mean, we are not exactly in love in this play, I'm just
Right.
saying.
But was it a nice kiss?
It was a very nice
How would you
stage.
rank his kiss next to Jehan's kiss?
Oh my God.
You can't. It's like chalk and cheese.
Oh, your cheese, his chalk. Thank you.
I hope so.
Let's go with that. But you know,
It's okay, I
as
just
a
wanted to know.
stage kiss, it was very nice. It's a very nice stage.
Right. Jehan, to you now.
Oh dear.
Rohan Ishan, your favorite Dilanoro brothers.
Rohan.
That's a.
I know. I've known him since I was a kid.
Right.
And sung with him.
If you had to cast a lead actor for a musical, who would you pick from the following and who would you not pick? Why? You have to give a reason.
Okay.
Gehan Block, Dominic Keller, Adam Ali, Suresh from Stigmata, Danu Vinasitambi.
Okay, so I would cast Danu, I would cast Block, and I would cast Adam. I haven't worked with Suresh, so I really don't know. What's the other person? you said?
Dominic.
Again, with Dominic, I haven't worked with him. So
But
I
who will
really
get the
don't
lead
know.
role out of all of us? You can't have three of us acting. One
Okay,
role?
for today, you will get the lead.
No, no, I don't want the sympathy vote.
Adam, maybe because he's most versatile, probably. Okay, okay. Sorry. No, I'll give it to you.
It's okay. If you wake up as Nidra one day and you could make a change that will last forever, what is the first thing and the last thing you'll do?
Nothing will last forever with Nidra Williams, and I would never know where to start being Nidra Williams, as I am told very often.
Right.
Yes.
Would you like to change something about her? Nothing.
Thing is, you change one thing, something else will change somewhere else.
Oh.
He's just copying out.
Yes, you are like a car.
Terrible. I mean, I
more like a
answered
piece of
properly now,
software
huh?
because there are dependencies and that's the worry. I'll have to do a network diagram and then see what I want to change.
Copying out again.
Yes. Sorry. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
Maybe try not to get impatient and angry as much as I do. I don't as much as I did. I've mellowed out with age somewhat, but maybe a little more.
Yeah, I'll see you when you're 90. If you were to wake up gay suddenly, who would you want to spend a romantic evening with?
You.
No option. Me.
Yes.
But if I reject, find somebody else.
No,
but I can be assured I will
pine
reject.
after you and you know
Pursue
you and woo you, and you know me, Danu.
Yeah, he's very determined when he.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. He'll come after you.
Okay.
Yeah. For sure.
I have to have on it.
Yeah, the number of answers that ended up with Danu.
Nidra.
I mean, I didn't
it's
even
about
have Danu as an
strategy.
option.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
I don't
so
know
I
what,
Could have
can't
made
say
him an
that.
option.
but definitely I don't know what I'll do with you. I will still be a software and never a hardware. Let's get to a break. We'll see you on the other side.
Fabulous.
Welcome back. It seems a bit of a loud environment where we are seated today. I think at Cinnamon everyone is busy with Christmas. Anyway, welcome back to the show in conversation with Nidra and Jehan. So let's speak a little bit about theatre today.
Okay.
Where is it going? Do you think people love it as much as we used to? Make it an occasion, making it a place to celebrate talent?
Well, yes. I think theatre is still very much alive. If you look at Gehan and Dino, they've taken it to another level. So Block and Dino, as you know, I mean, they both started on stage, one at St. Peter's, one at St. Joseph's, and they've taken it to a different level.
You don't need a stage to act, that's what.
Yeah, so you don't need a stage to act. Of course, the one thing that is not there today, and part of it that you miss, is the dressing up and going for theatre and then maybe dinner afterwards,
Yeah, true.
where you're discussing the play, which
Yeah.
is something that we've grown up doing. So
Correct.
it's that is not there. But my kids are perfectly fine watching something online, and that's a theatre experience for them. So I think the world is evolving, people are evolving.
Yeah, and theatre is also evolving. I mean, I think when we are talking about theatre, we talk of that exclusivity. Oh, you pay a premium price, you go and buy a ticket to watch a theatre experience of a particular level.
Yeah.
Now it's kind of free and it's online and you can watch it or you pay something, but it's a lot more accessible to the world. I mean, those days you couldn't see anything that went on, in America or
Broadway
England or
performance.
Broadway or something like that,
Yeah.
because that would be beyond our means. Even just accessibility, we'll have to first go there first.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Before you go to the theatre,
Yeah.
right? But now so much of that is online, so
Online.
you have access to it for a lot lesser price. So I don't know ultimately whether that's a good thing or bad. For our generation and older, I think it's we need to get used to that idea of theatre being maybe not quite just go, get dressed, as Jehan said, go eat, go watch, go eat, discuss, and it's that, it's changed.
It's changed a bit.
But
So
I
it's-
think theatre itself is as vibrant as ever. People still want to perform, that wanting to create and wanting to perform and wanting to, for the audience perspective, to listen and hear and get entertained. I think that situation is still there.
I
But-
mean,
sorry.
sorry if I may interrupt.
Yeah.
Actually, even we're doing a production right now with a team. Normally, a choir would stand in in a church or somewhere
Yeah.
and sing for Christmas. So we are doing a production where we are filming 10 different carols in 10 different locations and putting it out on YouTube. So one is that it's there for, you know, a longer period of time. It's not just 1 or 2 performances. Number 2 is that you learn a new set of skills. You have to learn a new set of skills. I mean, we're not anywhere near organized as you guys are, but we've done 1 camera, 1 drone, a few things. So we're learning new skills and new facets of theatre.
But there's one thing about theatre. I always say if somebody is coming into mainstream movie or like even into teledramas, what you will learn in fundamentals of theatre is amazing, with the fact that you get to sustain a character from the time you switch on for that role and you get out, so that you have planned a life for that character, like how he will breathe, how he will sleep, what he will eat, who is he fond of, all of that.
Exactly.
Whereas if it's a movie, it's just a scene that has 1 dialogue and you have no connection to that role whatsoever. Tell me, do you feel that like the art of theatre will not be as what can I say, as rewarding when you perform on screen than on stage? Like keeping those lines in mind, getting there on time, following the cues.
Not necessarily. Performing in front of a camera has its own challenges.
Yes.
Any mistake you make and allow to be taken into the edit lives with you forever. So there is that. Plus, I've seen young actors. We're working with a few young people also for this, and they get very nervous as you guys used to do before the Shakespeare drama comp. They get that nervous in front of the camera. The moment their light switched on.
Even when they know that you can take it again
Again and again.
again if you need to. It's still the performance.
It's still
jitters
that
are
anxiety
there.
and the jitters and the nerves are there. So I think it's different. We need to get used to it, but it's again similar.
Yeah. So the performer also, it's different because
No
you wait
applause,
for that
no
the
lights,
feedback, that
no
immediate.
curtain.
Absolutely. So that is not
Sad.
there. You have
No
to kind of
backstage.
almost do that yourself, and
Yes.
that oomph that you usually get as feedback from
Correct.
the audience is not there. But it's different. The skill set is different, but you perform to the camera rather than performing to a set of people. So yeah, you need to live and you need to, I guess, evolve.
Change and move on.
And move on.
All right, so we have another segment called One Word. Neera, we just want to tell you that you are sandwiched with love.
Yes, very
That's
much.
nice, darling. Okay.
Where there is no butter, what side is not my
Concern.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so one word is where you quickly give me an answer. Would I read the question quick? That is up to my brain because
Only
I'm a bit
she
slow,
or
no?
both,
Both
or both?
of you, but you all
No,
each have the
I get
sentence.
this
You get
first.
first.
Yeah.
But I'm starting with Jehan here.
Ah, fabulous.
A habit you'd love to give up.
Biting my nails.
Really?
I try hard not to. But
That's 3 words, but okay.
The most useless thing you have ever bought.
pajamas.
How are you hoping on sleeping?
Never mind, Danu, one word.
I don't know. I really don't know about this program of yours.
The first thing you touch when you wake up.
My phone.
An unpopular person you think is a hero.
Unpopular person who I think is a hero.
Nidra?
Neither is not unpopular.
Yes,
She's far more popular than me.
than you, but I'm
Yeah. Me. Okay. That's a good one. Unpopular person who I think is a hero, me.
I think the trick to this is when in doubt, just say me. Okay, got it. Okay, I understand.
If you were a salesperson, what product you would love to sell?
I am a salesperson, so Advantage. That's my software.
What a boring answer, mate.
The bills. Sorry, I
Okay,
don't
but
know whether you
that's
can
okay.
use
We
that
can
word.
put a beep on
Right.
those.
But it pays the bills.
Oh, sad, no?
Yeah, what to do when
Oh.
Okay, what do you want me to say?
No, I don't
Lingerie?
know.
flowers.
Flowers?
Okay, that's
Love to
suppose.
sell. I don't think he'll be good in selling flowers.
No, I don't think I can
If he
sell
gets
flowers.
angry or something,
Yes,
there'll be nothing. Branches will be going. Nidra, one thing you would change if you could go back in time.
take more risks.
Okay. One world problem you'd solve if you had the power.
I can't give a one-word answer to these.
Poverty, hunger, these are just
like
options
that.
I would like to.
To be more grateful.
Gratitude.
Gratitude.
Ah,
Yeah.
see, thank you. If there was a second life, would you love to come back as Jehan?
No.
Would you like to come back as you?
Yes.
Would you like to come back as Jehan's wife?
Okay.
A job you'd never do even if the salary was $1 million a month.
Politician.
A celebrity you'd love to date.
Wait. There are so many. Need to pick someone.
Yeah.
This is going down.
Get a
Cumberbatch.
good one, na? Get
Hello.
a
Yes.
Cumberbatch. Liam Neeson.
No. Colin Firth. In love with him a little bit right now.
Oh.
Can't compete with that.
Let's get into a break. We'll see you after this. Back with us on the show, Jehan and Nidra. Now, I know that we all love theatre and we want to make a living out of it and be a part of entertainment all day, all night.
You are?
Yeah, but I had to also I have to work, no, like in the other side of it. Yeah, I would just love to be in my caravan with my my portable AC and have my juice at the room temperature, and I
Yeah.
can't live that life, can't afford it as well.
None of us can.
Yeah,
yes.
No.
but tell me, what do you all do?
Okay.
Okay, so as I said before, I sell software that I designed
Right.
to banks and other people who want to manage their processes.
Right.
So that's what I do. Nidra?
Well, I work at office, obviously, with Jehan.
him, okay.
With him.
She bosses me.
Right.
That's what he says, but I don't know really. Mainly my job is mother and wife. Yeah, so those are my sort of primary roles in life. And
Do you
still,
miss media?
Oh, certain aspects of it, yes, but a lot of aspects, no.
Right. If you can't recognize her voice already, she's the one who says, the number you dialed is busy right now. Please never call back.
You know, please try.
When I call her, I get that. Can you imagine how
just more annoying,
infuriating
no?
that is? The number you call right now, it cannot be reached. God.
Cannot be contacted.
Ah, there
Never
you go.
mind.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, and you do that, will you? So that people know it's...
The number you contacted, no.
A number you dial.
The number you dial cannot be contacted right now. Please try again later.
Does she talk to you like this in the nights?
No.
Hi, Jehan.
I do not.
Really?
No.
Absolutely not. It's usually like, Jehan, the bloody dog is on the bed again.
Yes, exactly. That's what I get. I don't get the Nidra Williams you all see.
Yes, and I do not say, Jehan, the bloody dog is on the bed again. Please get rid of it. No, I don't say that.
But how has media changed today? When you all used to read news, like the sari pleats were so pinned up. I don't know how you all...
I think it's got a lot more
Easier, no?
cutthroat.
Looser. Means the sari, I meant.
No, I think the sari is still the same. I mean, I'm just going by Rupavahini, which
Yeah.
is the only place that I read news. But I think across the board, it's got a lot more cutthroat. It's got a lot more faster paced, I think, as well. And we are trying to keep up with at least some of the world in terms of going ahead and being more technologically advanced. I don't know how much of that is actually Rupavahini, but other stations as well. And I think I was there at the tail end of where it was still kind of considered a family. We all did this together. We did it as a cohesive group. Now it's like, you know, if I
you
cannot
read,
trample
yeah.
someone down and get to this place.
Correct.
So that is why I say that I don't think
That
I can
part
go
is
back
something.
now to that. Yeah.
Did you always want to be in IT, Jehan? Because considering the fact that IT
No,
was not
I-
around when you were there.
No, it wasn't. Yeah, it was invented after I
Yes,
was
I
born.
just, no, not in a bad way. I'm just saying, like,
No, I know.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't actually. I wanted to be a pilot, but then I realized I had bad eyes, so
Yeah.
I couldn't be a pilot.
And-
And then,
just imagine if you get angry while you're flying.
Yes.
yes, exactly.
You'll end up in another country.
I know.
Yes.
I know. So, I mean, good all round. I
Good,
think, that I
yes,
didn't
for the
become a
safety
pilot.
of all of us.
Just
But you would have
check,
got
is
a
it
tour of the
Jehan?
cockpit,
Yeah.
Danu.
Yeah, true. That's a pit I might miss.
Anyway, so so after school, you know, I did maths, and then my results weren't brilliant, so I was like wondering what to do. Then I did marketing, and next to me was Feroz Kamardeen. So Feroz and I were in the same batch class, whatever you like it. Then I joined an agency, worked in advertising for 2 years. Then I joined Suntel, and that's where I got introduced to technology. And as part of my MBA, I sort of wrote a specification for a system. And that's how I got into IT, and it's been 16 years, yeah.
You like IT?
Now, yes.
So if I have a problem with some kind of technology issue, I can call you, no?
Yes, you can. Doesn't mean I'll be able to solve it, but I can try.
Or he'll know someone who can help.
Yes.
Good. I just know how to on a PC and just work. I don't want to know what's happening inside. That's
I
fine.
don't know what's happening inside either. I do software, so I know about my software and the customer's processors. That I do.
I'm more confused. It's okay. We get into a very fun segment called Sticky Situ. We ask some juicy questions. So Sticky Situ is where I kind of put it out there. Don't throw that mug at me.
You've been putting lots of things out there. I don't know what else you've got left to put out.
I have to put.
Yeah.
All right, so let's start with this. So Jehan, you have a terrible anger issue, and I have seen the wrath of it.
Yes.
And also, you are very seasonal with people. You like stop talking, or you have stopped talking to me many a times.
No, I haven't.
Hello, how many times have you ignored me like a ball?
No, I haven't.
Nidra, please. So, have you changed from there?
I think I have. I don't know. You'll have to ask people. I supposed
Ignored.
to have ignored. Yeah.
Me?
Yes,
I
you.
have
Yes.
Do you
ignored
think that he has changed?
I think he has, but sometimes I don't know whether you are like in a good mood, whether you like me or you care about me or you want me dead on the road somewhere.
No, I've always liked you.
Ah, right, okay.
No, I have.
Fundamentally, yeah.
Fundamentally, yes.
But
Base-
sometimes you have
base-
just,
base level,
yeah,
yeah.
base level is it.
Yes.
Sometimes you just like look over me like.
And you know, I've never done that.
Long time
But
ago,
if
not
he sees
recently.
that a bus is about to run you down, he will definitely
Come.
run.
So
and-
till the, I'd wait until bus is driving
Yes.
that way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to start going in buses
that's when you'll
again.
know for sure.
No, I have been going in the bus for the longest time.
Please, Tanu.
Yeah, not in the bus. If you are getting caught under
I
the
have
bus.
been going in the bus for the longest time, and now I don't, obviously. We have to have a little perk in life. No, at one point when I was going to work, I was going in 4 buses.
Good
I
Lord.
leave at 10 o'clock, I get to work at 1.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay.
You must have been sitting in the bus from start to the end, just looking at people.
Yeah, people watching is a nice.
Yeah, but I didn't have such a sad outlook to people watching.
No, I don't know.
No, I didn't say it's
You
a bad
learn
thing.
a lot of things by people watching.
Definitely.
She
So
loves it.
now can we come back to me asking
sorry,
terrible
sorry,
questions from you all?
Go ahead.
So now you have changed.
I
Now
hope
have you
so.
patched up with everyone who you are angry with?
Most people I have tried.
Okay.
Right, no?
I've tried.
Yeah.
Some
And would you be
people
able to
have-
bring them all under the same roof?
I could. Yes.
Yeah. Because I think everyone has like such great memories with you, and at the same time there are also like some bad ones. But I think
Yes.
we should, as we like, you know, when we are hitting the grave, we rather have them all
Yes.
on our side.
I
Than just,
mean, I'll die young for sure. So
yeah, you
No,
have passed
I've
that, darling.
tried. I've
Young is already out of you.
I
You
know.
will just die old now. You are there.
Yeah, you've like,
Yeah, you have passed that stage.
Tanu,
But
yours
say it, say it, say it, say it.
a bar. Never mind.
But so that part of it is gone.
I wouldn't say gone, Danu. That's a fundamental part of my makeup. But I have learned to curb it a little bit. I've learned to be a lot more patient with people. I don't expect as much from people. I mean, and I find then I react better to people.
Correct. So let's go back. I'm not like putting you all in on their wedding day.
Oh God. Oh Lord, Danu.
Number one, the day before the wedding, it was about to end. Like, and we thought we were the cause of it because we were doing the play, and he didn't like one of the actors delivering the line in some way and scolded the actor. Nidra scolded him, and that's it. He drove off, and Nidra walked off, and we were all like, "Oh my God, we have stopped the wedding."
But see, that leads to very good makeup sex.
Y'all didn't have it. Y'all didn't even touch each other's hand down the aisle.
Yes, actually,
Correct.
that was for because of the wedding day in the morning. We had a fight.
That another one.
Yeah. Over.
So
over
y'all
the
had
reading.
sex, y'all made up, and then walked
I
down
can't
the.
remember any of those things. It's 20 years ago. But I can tell you that she wasn't speaking to me. She didn't take my hand till after the homily.
Yes, and then when y'all came for the going away, somebody put some wine or some champagne on you.
No, yeah, okay. So there's a story to that. My behavior was unpardonable, absolutely. But I had asked, please don't muck
Ruin
up the
your
clothes.
suit.
Not
And-
mine, our clothes.
Yes. And
Kushal-
Raja Bhujan just froze.
And Kushal emptied 4 bottles of wine on us. And I said, I mean, it was the day before, the choirs got together and gave us a rag like you wouldn't believe it.
Yeah.
Spoiled eggs, flour, tomatoes.
That was a smell. Sorry.
With water.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
You were there.
I was there, and more than this, there was a person who was reading news with you who just froze.
Who?
That person was reading news who was there in the guest list.
Viran.
I don't know who, like, fair, tall chap. He was, all what you said was, Jehan, Jehan, Jehan. And then you walked off. And I was like, this narrative is starting wonderfully.
Well, it's gone on like that.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So this is another thing I wanted to ask you. Jehan, there was a time, so many years ago, there was like a newspaper article, of course, you know, gossip, no, quickly people sent it saying, you know him, no, what is this all about? Saying that, you know, you should not work with Jehan, kind of a
So,
newspaper article.
yes, that
What was
was-
that all about?
Okay, so after I'd left Suntel and I sort of took my product idea to a company, didn't quite work out. I decided to move out and it got very unpleasant. And of course, those
Were you
guys-
upset to see that on the papers?
Yes, very much. I didn't go out of home for 2 weeks. I was very upset because I know people will believe the worst of me. You deal with it. I've grown up a lot with it, but it's something that scarred me and cut very deep. So.
No, because I wanted to know your side of the story, because we all just saw that. I was working at a TV station at that time when it came out, and everyone asked me, and I didn't know anything. So,
Well, not very many people did, but as I said, it was a mistake I made joining that particular place. And I just felt when I wanted to move out and start my own thing, they had issues about it. So, and that's actually what happened. I
And
started
this was
my own
their
thing.
reaction to it.
This was their reaction to it.
No, I just wanted to ask you because I think all sides of the story needs to come out, and this was something I thought you
It's
should.
not a pleasant memory, but part of life, I guess.
Correct.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing good. That's all it takes. Nidra. So now we do a bit of a survey-based question. We just ask a few people out before we throw these questions at paper, because I also can't remember all of it. No. So they said that you are very, let's put it nicely, catty, but you mask it well with your smile. Oh God. I saw it for real. Would you like to make a comment about this statement?
It's a bit difficult for me to judge myself like that.
Jehan?
No,
because
but
I
she
don't think of myself
no,
like that.
and of the two of us, certainly I'm the softie, or even when it comes to people.
Your emotions are the ones that
Yes,
drive people
yes.
insane as well.
Yes, it's true,
Yeah.
true. And Nidra is the more, what shall I say, in a lot of things more the adult. So sometimes I suppose you can perceive that as being bitchy.
Vicious. Or-
Yeah,
yeah.
or she's not a vicious person.
No,
She
I'm
is-
just-
I mean, I've known Ned long
Yeah,
enough.
do you know that?
But also I have evolved, my character has changed from being very innocent in the first years of my adult life to going through so many phrases
Yeah.
and phases that it's very difficult to pinpoint and say, okay, this is the real me or the real Ned,
Yeah.
as people
Know
the
you
real
as.
Ned, that is the real inside me. So maybe at times that is the persona that has kind of taken over. I like to think that I have this look of Nidra Williams that I portray to the world. And I think it's fairly consistent. But obviously the mask must be slipping.
No, I think it's a mask that gets perceived
Right.
like that.
It could be that also. But
Yeah.
that's something, the Nidra Williams, I have a particular image in my mind.
And you have always
And
portrayed that.
I think I have kind of tried to keep that whether I'm
And I think if
dealing
you
with
really
the-
want to get to know someone, you have to know them from inside out, and that's the only way.
Yes, yeah. And I think when you really get to know me, you understand maybe a different aspect to what you see.
And
But,
also, I mean, it's people who have crossed paths with us who will say that, if any. So they also have loaded agendas. I mean, they're also,
But I have never felt particularly like people like me or that I'm popular. I would never be the president, or be even elected as the class president in school was not my jam at all.
Miss Congeniality was not your thing.
No, no, not
right,
at all.
got
So,
you on that note.
Yeah.
Thank you. We are getting to a break. We'll see you right after this. It's time to get into what's on their Facebook. So did some digging, and here is what I found. Jen, I've always thought you're a pretty soul. Look at this.
no,
That's what she did.
I did.
And I think what's missing is a bow.
No, she takes me out every Valentine's Day. She says we have to go and I refuse to go and we fight about it and then she does this.
I know.
Cute.
No.
After a while, he forgets that it's a Valentine's Day thing, so he relaxes, and then I take one of those
Right.
photographs, and then I do my thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's nice. You look
Yes.
really pretty in pink.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think you should get into pink. I think that's the look for you.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh dear.
Oh, yes.
Well, actually, I look lovely and slim there.
And the sari is really pinned up and all. Tell me, how many years ago was this? Where was this? What were you doing? You were reading news, I know that.
I'm reading the news. Well, it was in the 1990s, because I'd stopped reading news by 2002, 2003, I'd already stopped. So this is somewhere maybe 1996, 97, 98, somewhere in that vicinity.
But you look the same. Man.
No, darling, I don't. I really don't.
No, like I can still say
I think
that
the
it's me.
eyebrows are about the same,
Yeah.
but that's about it.
No, but the rest are also the same.
Not really.
I really like this picture.
Yeah.
Who is the terror out of the two?
Matthew.
Really? He has become long now.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't,
Beanpole.
and his favorite word is, I don't really care right now. Or what did he say this morning when I asked him
Yeah, it doesn't
something?
really concern me.
It doesn't
Oh,
really
wow.
concern
It doesn't
me,
matter.
So that's Lauren and
Matthew.
the kids.
Yeah, they don't look like that anymore.
Yeah, that's true. This is not the. That's not how the kids look, and that is Gehan Block.
Block. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, he right after school.
He worked with you.
He worked with us, and he and a couple of we've gone trips with a lot of guys. With
Hey,
like,
you have hair here.
see,
There
I
you
told you.
go. Yeah.
And that
he
was
had-
those
he
were my
had for a
fat
while.
days. Face.
Sorry.
Look,
I want to know, Jehan, I understand you do bike rides.
Yes.
And it's like a passion project for you, and you have like pedaled all over the country and
Yes.
all. And they come behind you in the car.
Yes.
Yeah. And you love it?
Yes.
Relaxing? You have found a
yes,
community there,
yes.
no?
No, it is very therapeutic.
Yeah.
Get time on your by
and
yourself
a
to
lovely
think.
group of
I have a
people that
li-
you
You have
lovely
know.
found a
group of people I
community,
cycled with, yes.
which is amazing. But let's not focus on selfies.
Yeah, better not do that. Yeah, you're right. It looks terrible.
You just look, I don't know, like somebody kept you at gunpoint to take this
Yeah,
picture.
I know.
Yeah.
That was the day I was.
Those memories are not meant to be.
be on. I don't know who put it on Facebook. Me.
Yes.
Right.
That's Lauren and Matt.
They look a little more like that now.
Yeah. Now,
Wow.
That's
That is a
play
picture.
we did for cotton collection during
have they
Christmas.
got the makeup wrong?
No,
No,
that's
no,
how I
no.
look
Right.
normally. This is today with the makeup.
This is with the makeup. Yeah.
So that
That
was
was
a
low budget.
That was,
Yeah, not Ramani Fernandez salons.
Jehan, who is this and where are you in this?
That's me.
The one who is with the lighter suit.
Yes, in the lighter suit with the cane. That's
Oh.
me. And opposite me is a guy called Dave Van Sanden, Josephine.
And this was at St. Peter's?
No, this was at the Lionel event, I think, or at St. I don't know where the photograph was taken. This was the Workshop Players' first production of Lost in the Stars. I was Stephen Kumalo, and my son had killed his son. And
Which is what
this is the
they're
meeting of the
talking
two
about.
fathers.
Oh, right. So this is the whole biking community.
That
Yeah,
is a
this
part.
is early days.
Okay. So tell me, how many bikes do you have?
2 now. 2. Only 2.
Yeah. This be true.
This be true. Okay.
Oh God, this is
my
the team that
goodness.
came for the wedding, I think, or somewhere near that. No, this is before that.
Yeah,
This is Kushal, me. This is 1996 when St. Peter's won the Shakespeare Drama Comp after about, I think for the second time ever. 1996, my brother was in that cast.
Right, and 99 is when you took over and you all won the first year.
Yes.
I was not there for that one.
Yes.
I just want to know, like,
Yes.
is this love, abuse, or?
Looks like abuse, no?
Yeah,
I'm being
little bit.
abused,
Yeah.
yes.
But yeah.
No, this is
But
again after
Nidra,
the
you
play.
seem to be having a great time.
I do, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it definitely on the dance floor.
Yes, this is at their sister hotel,
Ah.
library.
Ah, right, super. Anyway, I'm going to give these pictures for you all to keep it.
Sure.
Yeah, we printed it now. What am I to do with this?
This
man?
be true.
Yeah, am I to
Thank you
frame
very
it?
much.
No. So thank you for all what you all have done towards giving us a way to curve and learn and come out and find ourselves in a better way. And thanks for the great memories. I've known them. I have known she had Lauren on Easter Sunday. She's named Easter. They had an accident soon after. I remember that as well in front of me. I remember all of these about their lives. So there's so much that I know. Thank you so very much. Thank you for accepting the invitation, being here, being a part of this show. Lovely.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you,
us, Danu.
Thank you for having
us.
and just going down memory lane and also knowing that we are appreciated.
It's nice because
Yeah.
sometimes it doesn't seem like it. So thank you for saying what you just did. Means a lot. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thanks. On that note, let's wrap things up. We'll see you with another cool episode to date with Danu. Till then, you be safe.